Welcome back to the GridMate Learning channel. In our previous video, we created a project, added tasks, and explored the core capabilities of the GridMate Gantt chart. In this video, we'll continue where we left off and take a closer look at the toolbar features that help you navigate, analyze, and manage your projects more efficiently. Let's get started. We'll begin with the zoom in and zoom out controls. These allow you to adjust the timeline scale, making the chart more detailed or more compact depending on your planning needs. Next is the view selector. You can instantly switch between multiple timeline views based on the level of detail you need. Choose daily view for detailed day-by-day scheduling. Switch to monthly view for project planning. Select yearly view for a high-level roadmap. Or choose full view to display the entire project timeline at once. For this demonstration, we'll switch back to monthly view. The date picker lets you jump directly to any point in your project timeline. Instead of scrolling through a long schedule, simply select a date or click Today to return to the current date. Next is the baseline feature, which allows you to capture a snapshot of your project schedule. Since we don't have one yet, let's create a new baseline. Enter a name and, if needed, a description, then save it. Once created, select the baseline to compare it with the current project schedule. This makes it easy to identify changes between the planned schedule and the current state of the project. Let's switch back to the main Gantt chart. Next is scheduling mode, which we'll cover in detail in a separate video. The refresh button reloads the Gantt chart with the latest saved data. The full screen button expands the Gantt chart to fill your screen, making project reviews and presentations more comfortable. The toggle left panel button shows or hides the task list and hierarchy, giving you either more workspace or a better overview of your project structure. The toggle right panel opens the project snapshot, which provides an overview of the project status, including the number of tasks, milestones, and overdue items. When you select a task, this panel also displays its detailed information, which we'll explore in another video. The Enable Horizontal Scroll option makes it easier to navigate large timelines, especially for long-term projects. The Overdue option highlights tasks that have passed their planned finish date and are still incomplete. The Critical Path option highlights the sequence of tasks that directly determines the project's completion date. Now let's select a few tasks. The Delete button removes the selected tasks from the project. Before saving your changes, you can use Undo to restore deleted tasks or Redo to apply the action again. Once you're satisfied with your changes, click Save to synchronize them. The Move Up and Move Down buttons change the order of tasks within the project, making it easy to reorganize priorities without recreating tasks. Next, let's adjust the task hierarchy. Click Move Left to promote the task back to a higher level in the hierarchy. Click Move Right to indent the selected task and make it a child of the task above it. The Collapse All and Expand All options let you quickly hide or display every task in the project. Finally, the Export menu provides several options for sharing your project. You'll notice that the Print option is currently disabled because we have unsaved changes. Let's save the project. Now the Print option becomes available. You can also export your project as a CSV or Excel file for reporting or further analysis. That concludes our overview of the GridMate Gantt chart toolbar. In the next video, we'll move beyond the toolbar and explore more advanced project management capabilities through practical, real-world scenarios. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.